Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable auto scroll on Instagram. So let's dive in. First things first, this is a new feature that's still rolling out. So step one is to make sure your app is updated. Just head on to the App Store or Google Play Store and search for Instagram and update if you see the option. Now, once updated, you want to open Instagram and on a post or reel, you want to tap the three dots in the corner. If the feature is available in your account, you'll see an option called Auto Scroll. Just tap it and turn it on, and Instagram will automatically scroll for you. As you can see, it's not available yet here in my region, but here's how it looks like for those who already have it. As you can see, this is what the auto scroll option looks like. Now, if you don't see the option yet, don't worry. Since this feature is still being rolled out, some users have it and others don't. Just keep updating Instagram whenever a new update appears, and it should show up eventually based on your region. And that's it. That's how to enable auto scroll on Instagram posts and reels. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.